class 9 children, we have just begun the exercise 19C, where we put the values of trigonometrical ratios in different degrees. So I have already discussed how to learn the table, the value of different trigonometrical ratios. So I will discuss some advanced question today. Find the value of, and the question is, sin square 45 plus cos square 45 divided by tan square 60. So from the value chart you have to see the values and put the respective values, and I have told you should learn also, because in the examination you will be not allowed to see the table book. You have to by heart and learn. So sin square 45 is 1 by root 2, as there is square, so whole square, plus cos square 45, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, as there is square, so whole square. Tan 60 is root 3, as there is square, so whole square. Now 1 square is 1 and root 2 square is 2. I have told you, whenever there is root, the root and the square will vanish, only the number 2 will remain. Same thing 1 by 2 here, and root 3, as you all know, root and square will vanish, so 3 will remain here. As we all know, 1 by 2 is called half. Half plus half is 1, or you can even do the addition of fractional number by LCM. So LCM of 2 and 2 both is 2. So whenever the both LCM is same, upper part, the upper number also will be same, 1 plus 1, because 2 1 2, 1 1 1, plus 2 1 2, 1 because 2 1 that 1 1 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2 by 2, and below we have 3 here. So 2 by 2 means if you divide it, it is 1. So 1 by 3 is our answer. One more question here. Sin 60 degree by cos square 45 minus 3 into tan 30 plus 5 into cos 90. So here we have fraction and here we don't have fraction. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and cos 45 is 1 by root 2, as there is square, so whole square, minus 3 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3, plus 5 into, due to lack of space I wrote here, so it is, now I have space, so I can write in the same line, 5 into cos 90 is 0. Now root 3 by 2, same I wrote here. 1 by root 2 square becomes 1 by 2, because root square, root and square vanishes, so 1 by 2, minus, as this is root 3, this is 3, we cannot cancel, because 1 is under root, 1 is without root. So our answer will be 3 1 3 by root 3, and anything multiplied with 0 is 0, so plus 0. Now when we have a long by in the middle and we have one more fraction at the base in the denominator, then the long by, the long division becomes multiplication, and the upper part remains same. Root 3 by 2 comes here, and this fraction becomes multiplication, and automatically reciprocal value 1 by 2 becomes 2 by 1. This you all know. And here minus 3 by root 3 is here. So here 2 got cancelled. Now we have root 3 by 1. As this 1 has no value, but I wrote here, later on I will banish it. Now minus 3 by root 3. Now LCM of 1 and root 3 is root 3. Now 1 root 3, actually whenever there is 1, it is said we should directly multiply the upper number with the LCM. So our LCM is root 3 and the upper number is root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3, because root 3 is square and root 3 into root 3 meaning is same. And whenever root 3 is LCM and upper number is 3, directly we can write. So 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 by root 3. Anything, any number you divide 0, answer is always 0. So this is another one. One more question let me discuss. Here 5 sin square 30 plus cos square 45 minus 4 tan square 30 by whole divided by 2 sin 30 cos 30 plus tan 45. You should remember here is a long by here. Now put the respective value. 5 into sin 30 is 1 by 2, as there is square, so here also we have square, plus cos 45 is 1 by root 2 as there is square, so whole square, minus 4 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3 as there is square here, so here also I have put whole square. 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2, no square, so here also we don't put square. Cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus tan 45 is 1. You can check all these values from the chart, from the table which I have provided in the last video. You can see from there. You can check the PDF. Now 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 because 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. 5 into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 because 1 square is 1, root 2 square is only 2. Minus 4 into 1 by root 3 square is 1 by 3 because root square is root and square vanishes 3. Here all they are in multiplication. These three ratios are in multiplication and plus 1 is separate. So here these 2 and these 2 we can cancel. And finally root 3 by 2 remains and plus 1 comes here. Now 5 ones are 5 by 4 plus 1 by 2. 4 ones are 4 by 3 whole divided by same number, but here I did LCM. This is 2 and below there is 1. 2 and 1 LCM is 2. So whenever LCM is same, upper number root 3 remains same. 1 2s are 2, 2 2, 1 2s are 2s are that 2 1s are 2 comes here. Now so we get root 3 plus 2 by 2. As root 3 is a number having root over and 2 is not having any root over, we cannot add it. Don't write 3 plus 2 as 5 because 1 is without root and 1 is with root. We cannot add. So we have to write same here in the denominator. But upper part 4, 2 and 3. LCM is 12. LCM of 4, 2 and 3 is 12. Now 4 3s are 12. 3s are 3. That 3 5s are 15. Now 2 6s are that 6s are 2 6s are 12. 6 1s are 6. 3 4s are that 4s are 3 4s are 12. 4 4s are 16. That way we have to do. Now 15 plus 6 is 21. 21 minus 16 is 5. 5 by 12 and this number is same here. Now as you all know, when there is below the long fraction, if there is one more fraction, one more division, then this long fraction becomes multiplication and they interchange. 2 goes up, root 3 plus 2 comes down. That I do. So 5 by 12 I write here into I interchange. 2 goes up and this comes down. 5 by 12 same. So after that we get this because the long division became multiplication. Now 2 6 are 12 we can cancel and nothing else can be cancelled. So now 5 1s are 5 and this 6 I wrote here. Root 3 plus 2 I wrote in the bracket. If somebody feels that sir I want to multiply, then you can write 6 into root 3, 6 root 3, 6 2s are 12. Don't write 6 root 3s are root 18. No, like 6 into x is 6x, 6 into root 3s are 6 root 3, but you can write in the bracket also. So this is how you have to do, children. I will be giving some homework. Please try to solve that question. Thank you, children.